ایک مثال قائم کرنے کے لیے ہم سٹی پریس کلب میں موجود ہیں کہ ہم نے یہاں نہ فرقہ نہ مذہب اور نہ کوئی رنگ و نسل دیکھا. یہ دکھ بہت ہوتا ہے کیونکہ جب میں اپنی بات کرتا ہوں یہاں اسی اداروں میں تو میں کرسچن کمیونٹی سے تعلق رکھتا ہوں, تو میں ہمیشہ کہتا ہوں کہ کرسچنوں کو بہت سے حقوق ہیں, لیکن ابھی کیا کہہ سکتے ہیں ان لوگوں کے لیے جنہوں نے یہ گھنونی حرکت کی ہے, ان چند عناصر کے لیے جنہوں نے اسلام کا نام جو ہے پوری دنیا میں اس طرح سے کوشش کی ہے کہ کوئی جو ہے اسلام پر اس طرح سے جس طرح سے محبت کرتا ہے اس محبت کو وہ رد کرے. لیکن ایسا نہیں ہونے والا. تمام مذاہب کو پتا ہوتا ہے کہ ہر مذہب میں شر پسند عناصر ہوتے ہیں جو مذہبی آڑ لے کر, یہ ضروری نہیں, یاد رکھیے گا کہ صرف ہم مسلم امہ کی بات کر رہے ہیں, ہم ہر مذہب میں, ہم ایز اے کرسچن ہوتے ہوئے بھی میں آپ کو بتاتا چلوں کہ کرسچن بھی ایسے جہادی ہیں جو صرف جو ہے یہی جنگ لڑتے ہیں کہ کسی نہ کسی طریقے سے کوئی فساد بھرپا ہو جائے. تو میں بغیر دیر کیے بشپ رفاقت جیکسن صاحب سے کہوں گا کہ وہ آئیں اور وہ اپنے خیالات کا, اپنے دل کی بات کریں. سٹی پریس کلب میں وہ موجود ہیں تاکہ انٹرنیشنل لیول پہ آج جو ہمارا یہاں جمع ہونا ہے وہ کوئی تقریب کرنا نہیں ہے. ہم دکھ میں ہیں, ہم ایک وبا میں ہیں, ایک پریشانی میں مبتلا ہیں. تو جیکسن صاحب آج کی جو آپ کی ویڈیو ہوگی ہمارے اداروں کے توسط سے وہ پوری دنیا میں, کیونکہ بات ابھی جو ہے نہ جڑانوالہ کی ہے, بات نہ فیصل آباد کی ہے, بات نہ جو ہے پاکستان کی ہے, اب بات ہو رہی ہے نسل انسانیت کی. تو جہاں نسل انسانیت کی بات آتی ہے تو اس میں کوئی ملک نہیں دیکھا جاتا, لیکن ہمارا ملک پاکستان ہے. ہم ہمیشہ اس سے پیار کرتے ہیں اور ہمیشہ اس سے پیار کرتے رہیں گے. میں چاہوں گا بشپ رفاقت صاحب سے وہ آئیں اور خیالات کا اظہار کریں.
In the name of Father, Son and the Holy Spirit, Amen. I'm so thankful to the City Press Club and the President Asad and our sister. They gave us opportunity to talk. The event happened in this month on 16th in Faisalabad, Jड़انوالہ. I would like to condemn this event, and this is highly condemned everywhere in our country. Now I request my government official that they should protect minority, they should protect their life, their buildings, churches, and also their right. The people shouldn't kill the civilian. Why? Government is already there. Judiciary is already there. Intelligence is there. Let them activate according to the rules and regulations. We respect all the holy books. We respect all the prophets are sent by God, and of course the Muslim people also respect all the holy book. And we have to create a law. I request the government official that not only Quran Majid, not only the Holy Prophet, but all the prophets who sent by God, they should respect them. They shouldn't speak against any word. They shouldn't speak their messages, their characters, written and oral or publicly. I request that they should respect the holy books also. How long this will be happen continue? We need the peace, and Islam means also the peace. I believe and I am familiar with Islam also. Islam does not allow to kill the innocent people. Yes, I know something about Islam. I request all the intelligence, I request the government officials, I request the high authorities, I request the people are responsible to protect the civilians. Kindly do something for them. We are minority, we are citizens of Pakistan. We live in Pakistan and we are peaceful people. According to the law, we have the right. Give us our right according to the law, according to the Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So we have the right. We are not having any violence. We have the peaceful. We are a peaceful nation. So I'm so thankful the City Press Club that they gave us opportunity, that we have to expose our feeling, expose our condom. See how many people are died, how many people are injured, how many houses are burned, how many children are suffering, how many churches are burned. You know better than me. Just estimate. We have just took away the peace. It shouldn't be happen again. It shouldn't be. Otherwise, you already know that we have to suffer internationally. Our economy will be devalued. So many restrictions will be on us by internationally, by UNO and by other governments also. So we have to create the opportunity where the Pakistan can develop, where the civilian can work peacefully. We love Pakistan. We respect all our officials. So how long? May the Lord give you the wisdom. May the Lord give you the strength. May the Lord with you be all the ways. So next time we have to think it over, whosoever done the crime. The criminal, only the criminal people should suffer according to the law. And there should be investigation transparently. There should be investigation honestly. We are human beings. We have right to live here. So innocent people shouldn't suffer anymore. Shouldn't suffer anymore. So it's not the first event in Pakistan. If you look the history, there are so many events that the Christian people are suffering. It's your responsibility, it's your duty to give us protection. It's your responsibility to give us law. We have to get our rights. We are human beings, we need the human rights while we are living in this country. And we are also living with you with peace and harmony, and we need the justice. Justification should be there. Nobody should suffer. We are already suffering a lot, and it is 76th. We celebrated the Independence Day. The whole Pakistan, including Christian community, was praying for Pakistan. And what happened? Just on 16th, 2 days back, we suffered. Just please find out who is behind us. Who is destroying the country? Who is destroying the city? Who is demolishing our properties? Who is killing the people? Just find out, please. It shouldn't be repeated again. Our hearts are crying. We cannot expose our feeling, what we are feeling. The word fails us for explanation. Go over there and find out the people's heart. Their homes are burned. And even the robbery, the people took their things away. They robbed them, they burned them, they abused them, they killed them, they injured them. God's sake, try to understand. We want to live together peacefully. We need the justice. We need the right. We have to develop the country together. We have to grow the country together. We are just like our family, brother and sisters. We should respect their denomination. We should respect people's faith. We should respect people's law. We should respect the worship places, churches, mosques, Imam Bargah, and wherever people are having their worship according to their denominations. That's why we are living here. We were born here and we will die here. We have to stay here, and we should consider the feeling of each other. Now, I'm not talking against the government. I'm not against any official or intelligence. Just I'm requesting humbly. Thank you to our please. We are in pain. We are in trouble. We are in problem. Look at the people who build their home very hardly. Now things are very expensive. How will they rebuild their homes? Who will help them to rebuild the homes? Who will bring the dead ones back? Nobody can. Whole life their generation will suffer. What happened to this Pakistan? What happened to our country? We should pray together, and we should put hand to hand together, so we can live more and more and more happily, peacefully. We need everything in peace and justice. Peace and justice. I'm so thankful to the City Press Club again, to the members of City Press Clubs. I'm so highly thankful to them that they gave us opportunity and they gave us chance to talk on international level. So I thank Mr. Shahid Ghori. He especially invited me. So being a bishop on the Methodist Church in Pakistan under the supervision of Church Council registered Karachi. Thank you very much. God bless you. Pakistan Zindabad.